Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Chippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Ford Kuga Ambiente. Stock reference number 4303. The shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2016. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo EcoBoost petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the radiator grille, right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch steel rims. Left front has an average tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic transmission gear stick. Climate control, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.